steel. Okay, I've arrived at Nong Khai. Have to pick up some supplies at Lotus. Long-tail boat in Laos. So they're putting away all their fishing nets. No fish today. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, I better go back before it gets dark. Don't want to fall off the plank. It was easier getting on. I think it's going to be harder to get off. Here goes. Okay, I made it. Living dangerously in flip-flops. That was quite the expedition just to find a bag of rocks. Hello. Today we've got boat racing. There's a festival going on in Nong Khai. It's a longboat racing festival. Yep, there they go. And the crowd is going crazy. Got a good group of spectators on the Lao side. Oh, they got a good view. The rain has come. I got a notification on my phone that there's a tropical cyclone moving in today, and it's supposed to last until Monday, I guess. Today is Saturday, and it's actually turned into a tropical storm called Nong Khai, and we're just on the outer bands of it now. I saw the radar showed that it was really raining heavy in Udon Thani, which is not far from here. But it's just started to pick up quite a bit now. This is going to be a restaurant here. It's been standing still probably since 2019. This is where a lot of the boats are coming from, those little fishing boats. It's funny that the boats are made out of steel, so if they go down, they will go down quick. I guess steel is cheaper than wood. Farang, farang! Oh yeah, here's the other boats. Yeah, I don't think I want to go down there. It's too slippery today. Oh, there's more rafts over here that weren't here the last time I came out. Well, the water has come up a way a lot since last month. Last time I came here, I guess about 2 months ago. I think his boat is filling up with water. A little bit of a party going on. They also have slots for the boats to go in. It's Saturday today, so there's lots of partying going on. See, here's one of those boats, these long-tail river boats. Steel. Yeah, that would sink in a jiffy. Don't think I'm gonna go any further. It's just mud. Although there is an ice cream place down there. But I don't have any money on me, so I better go back. Oh, walking against the wind now. Raining now. Whoa, getting slippery too. Music pounding from everywhere. They're selling food, they've got tents set up. It's the festival for the boat races. I went by one group. There was a bunch of ladies. They asked me to go sit down and drink with them. I had to politely decline, but gossip goes wild here in the country. Yeah, that would be a pretty big restaurant. There are a few places around here, but you have to you need a vehicle to get to them. And then of course we're not that far from Vientiane. There's lots of food in Vientiane. Oh, look at that, you can barely see the bridge now. The Nong Khai Friendship Bridge. I think that's the storm really moving in. I can see a wall of water coming. On the bus, 20,000 kip. Made it through immigration. I'm now back in Thailand. Very quick. Maybe a total of from immigration to immigration 20-25 minutes. So they told me to go to the 7-Eleven, and that's where the vans are to go to the Udon Thani airport. Yeah, the taxis are like, I don't know how much they are, but the vans are 200 baht. In the van now. That shop right there. It's a flat 200 baht to the airport. Udon Thani airport from there.